आपका आशीर्वाद लेने आया। मैं रवि नेगी हूँ। लास्ट टाइम भी आपने मुझे विधायक लड़ाया था और मैं जीतते जीतते रह गया था थोड़े से वोटों से।
Hello and welcome. You are watching Nonsense Talk News and I am Pallab Ghosh. Clear mandate by the people in Patparganj constituency. They have elected Ravi Negi from Bharatiya Janata Party. Ravi Negi couldn't win elections last time by a margin of little over 3,000. But this time, people rejected Aam Aadmi Party's Awadh Ojha, which was actually clear much before elections that Awadh Ojha will not win this election.
10 लाख रुपए का इलाज मुफ्त मिलेगा परिवार के एक व्यक्ति को। ये मोदी की गारंटी है। जब इतनी सारी गारंटी मोदी जी दे रहे हैं तो क्या शराब के दलाल केजरीवाल को लाना चाहिए क्या?
Ravi Negi has defeated Congress candidate Anil Chaudhary, former MLA from this constituency between 2008 and 13. So people have given their clear mandate to Ravi Negi. Ravi Negi also during the election campaigns said that he belongs to this area and come what may, he will always stand with the people of this area.
थोड़ी सी कसर रह गई थी। थोड़ी मन में मेरी भी पीड़ा है और आपके मन में भी पीड़ा है, क्योंकि 5 साल उसको जिताने के बाद जो बेहाल पचपड़गंज भोग रहा है, जो गंदे पानी की मार पचपड़गंज भोग रहा है, जो सीवर की मार पचपड़गंज भोग रहा है, जो पार्कों की खस्ता हाल पचपड़गंज भोग रहा है, जो सड़कें टूटी पचपड़गंज भोग रहा है, मुझे लगता है अगर 5 साल पहले 1400-1500 वोट मुझे और मिल जाते तो ये पानी और सीवर की समस्या कम से कम नहीं होती आपको।
And they will always find him whenever they will need him. And people also said he had been coming to the area regularly and they are confident that Ravi Negi will be available to the people whenever they need him for his help, for his assistance, for his guidance. On the whole, Bharatiya Janata Party has bagged massive majority in Delhi, defeating Aam Aadmi Party, which was also evident because Aam Aadmi Party, as we call in Hindi, jhoot ka pulinda, nothing but falsehood, made promises never to keep, and numerous scams. Liquor policy scam, Mohalla clinic scam, and not even hesitated to tamper the master plan of Delhi. Because according to master plan of Delhi, you cannot open liquor shops or thekas if you have religious institutions, educational institutions, residential places within 100-meter periphery. But Aam Aadmi Party violated that also, and this was first raised by the Bharatiya Janata Party. And I had the privilege of covering Vidhuri when he held the press conference. This is the picture right now, and once again, congratulations to Ravi Negi and best of luck, because we all hope that Ravi Negi will keep up to the expectations of the people. As Prime Minister Narendra Modi, who reached the BJP headquarters a few hours back to congratulate the winners, interact with people, and he said BJP will be indebted to the people of Delhi because Delhiites have given them the opportunity after 27 long years, and he said that he promises that Delhiites will get back with interest, not only development, but other things also. Well, it's too early. Coming days are going to be more interesting. We will see our MLAs across the constituencies, meeting people, interacting with people. I'm sure Ravi Negi will also come out and meet people, interact with people. Today was a hectic day, so we don't expect that. And most important, we will come to know the name of our chief minister in a day or two. There are speculations, but I am not going into details. Once again, congratulations, Ravi Negi, for bagging the Patparganj seat and defeating Aam Aadmi Party's Awadh Ojha. Aam Aadmi Party has lost the election on its face value. Arvind Kejriwal exposed.
लाना चाहिए भाइयों। 12 साल में आपको साफ पानी मिला क्या? 12 साल में आपके सीवर साफ हुए क्या? 12 साल में कोई ऐसा पार्क बना जिस पार्क में आपको गर्व हो कि दिल्ली सरकार ने बनाया? कोई पार्क ऐसा बना? आपके आसपास 12 साल में कोई सामुदायिक भवन बना क्या? डिप्टी सीएम था, मालिक था ये दिल्ली का, चाहता तो सोने की चम्मच में खिला सकता था यहाँ के लोगों को।
It's all up to now BJP to do some good work and live up to the expectations of the people.
सांस लेना भी दूभर कर दिया। आज सांस लेने में भी आपातकाल है, सांस भी नहीं ली जाती, पानी गंदा आता है, सड़क पे चलो तो सड़क टूटी है। जब सड़क टूटी, गंदा पानी, सीवर जाम, सांस लेना दूभर, तो ऐसे लोगों को दोबारा लाना चाहिए क्या?
बिल्कुल नहीं।
जो मंदिर का निर्माण नहीं कराते पर हज हाउस का निर्माण कराते हैं, ये भी ध्यान रखना। सनातन धर्म की भी रक्षा करनी है ना साथ साथ।
Well, as I said, too early, but still, people in Patparganj, and I am sure across Delhi, because situation is same across Delhi, to look into and improve the quality of water, roads, and remove the pile of garbage that Aam Aadmi Party has left behind, in spite of holding a jharu in their hand. But anyway, people have swept out Aam Aadmi Party for good, washed out Aam Aadmi Party for good. This is Pallab Ghosh signing off for Non-Stop News.